Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can select the level of game to medium on RealSys 3D. So let's get started. First of all, open the RealSys 3D on your device. Now here you can find Start Game option. Tap on it and then select Ocelot. Now select the mode of game you want to play. Next, tap on medium on the difficulty level section. And once you do, you can just tap on start game option and start playing the game on your desired level. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another game.